how to fix Instagram call not working on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easy and quick. First, go to Play Store or App Store, and here just make sure your Instagram is updated. And if you find here an update, just update your Instagram, and if that doesn't fix it, now restart your phone, turn off your Wi-Fi and turn it on again, and close all the applications in the background. And if that also doesn't fix it, now let's move to the next step. If you have an Android, go to settings, apps, and then apps again. Now type here Instagram, type Instagram, click on it, click for stop, and go to permissions. Make sure this one, microphone and camera, is allowed. And that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.